If you are still struggling to get your AI videos to have consistent character all through the movie, then this video is for you. Like, what do I mean by consistent character? Consistent character is just when you define John to be John, John will still be John all through the scenes of the movie. It's not changing face from this person to another. No, anybody that look at the video will still be able to identify John as John from the scene 1 of the movie to the end of the movie. No matter the scene, John does not change character or facial features. I hope you understand. So if this is what you want, come in here, let me show you how to get your AI image to have consistent character.
At this point, you must have already written out your story, the story you want to give to ChatGPT.
Now, not that's all. You just tell ChatGPT to give you a script, an idea. Okay. So this is my own, and let's see how it goes. So you see, it has given you a powerful story called Esther. Now, for the consistent character, of course, I will just say, please follow me. Okay. If you have for each actor, then I will send it. Now, this is when you actually want to know who and who played the game. Now, if you miss this step in your storytelling video, you are definitely going to get different people acting the same thing. Okay, fine. After getting this, I'm gonna use a tool that is very, very familiar to us, and which is Gemini.
So at this point, you will copy your image prompt that it has generated. A powerful African warrior, for example. Open Gemini app.
The Gemini, I will choose on create image. Okay, now this is it. I will
paste the image prompt you copied from ChatGPT.
Powerful African warrior image. Create an image. Okay, fine. It has given me a 9.16, and this one was, if you're searching content for a YouTube, you have to actually understand your aspect ratio. For the YouTube, this is particular one. The first one is generated was particularly for YouTube content, okay, long form content, and this particular second one is particularly for Facebook Shorts. This, what you just ought to do is you will save this picture to your gallery. Now the picture of the prince has been generated.
So after you generate the first image, you still go back to ChatGPT, do the same method, do the one for the king, do the one for the prince, and every character that was defined by the ChatGPT.
So after generating your profile images, the next thing you're going to do is for you to generate your scene image. And to generate scene image, you need Wix. So you head over to Wix.
Open your browser. You'll see Wix Lab Google, okay? Wix Labs Google. Create new project, and see I have so many projects in here. Say create new projects, and you're gonna choose your aspect ratio, okay? This is 9.16, yeah, because my image that I generated was 9.16, so I choose my aspect ratio has been 9.16, which is the okay. It says subjects. You bring in your people. From here, go to free a library. You upload the prince picture. Tap on this plus sign. Tap on this plus sign, and that was coming again. Add the king. The king is here. Add it. So you're gonna continue like this, and you add all the images that you've generated. Okay. So just follow the step, and see all the images will be added to you. Come here. Plus here, come here, you add the man. You wait for Wix to analyze all their images, okay? When it analyzes all the images, everywhere will come steady. This one was one. So now, these are the images. I've brought the images to Wix. You go back to ChatGPT. Image prompts. GPT is going to bring out the scenes for it. You can see scene 1, the oracle. So you copy the scene, and go back to your Wix. Scene is the African priestess, okay? So you're going to click on add image. You go and mark this one. This is the priestess. You mark the priestess because she was the one in that scene. When you mark it, you cancel. You have successfully bring the business picture inside here. When you say click on scene, you wait for it to generate the scene. Now the scene is simply what is simply what is playing. You can see it now. Now in the scene, you have to check. Now this is the scene 1, okay, and this is the picture 2. My AI generated 2 picture, so I'm definitely gonna take the one that best fits my work. So now you could know. I think I will love this one. Okay, so since I will love this one, I will delete this one and save and keep this one. Remember, I always advise people to save their work, so you can just save it to your gallery. Now the number 2, so you do the same thing for the number 2, scene 2. Look at it here, the scene 2. Copy it so that you will be able to read and understand who is in that scene. You can see that the African queen, which is the queen, is here and the king is here. Now, let's say for instance, the prince was a newborn, so you're not going to print the prince. So you're going to add the image of the king and the image of the queen. You send, and let's see this thing, and let's see the image it will generate. You can see it now. If you open this thing, you see that the king is here and the prince and the queen is here holding a baby, okay, holding aggressive. So I will save this one while I delete this one. Okay, so you do the same thing for scene 3. Go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 3, go back to whisk, paste. How you can generate your scene prompts for your movie. Now the next you're going to do from this scene prompt is to animate them. Animation simply means you're making these ones to react according to the prompts that you have in a video form. Okay, so you animate them.
Generating our scene image, the next we are going to do is to generate our video, like is to animate our images into video. And this is what I'm going to ask you. If you are really interested in how you can animate your video, I have checked my related video. You will see how you can animate your image, your scene images into videos. Watch it there, and at the end of this movie, I believe you've been able to learn 1 or 2 from me. Click on the subscribe button and you subscribe to my channel and on the notification so that anytime my posts come on, you'll be able to see it on time before other people. And let me know which other AI tool or AI tutorials do you want me to take on next. See you in my next video.